Speed queen washers are very reliable, and what's really nice about them, with particularly the microprocessors, is that it gives you typically an error code. And on that error code, you can go to the manual and you can quickly find, what the symptom is and maybe what the cure is as well. So an EFL, for example, is error fill FL. You could get drain errors, you could get leak errors, you could get basket not spinning errors, etc. But you do get a code. So it's very easy for you to take that, jump in your manual, your troubleshooting manual, and look up what the problem is and go to it instead of spending a bunch of time doing diagnostic work and trying to figure out what exactly is the problem. The best thing to do is grab that code, go to your book, look it up, and if you do it enough, eventually you'll learn what those codes mean off the top of your head.